Hey guys, welcome to Double Level of Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're online marketing and struggling to get leads and sell to your business, I have the perfect opportunity for you guys. I know me myself, when I first got on into internet marketing, which is affiliate marketing, it was a very challenge for me because I didn't know where to begin. I didn't know where to start, and one of the challenges that I had faced was what type of tool can I use to actually push out the business that I have, got into. And this what led me to, the Power Lead system. And I was going through all types of, sales funnels. Didn't even know how to do the technical side of everything, even though I am a tech savvy type person, but I just didn't know how to really operate and use and what the sales funnel meant. I had got into ClickFunnels. I was into companies like Builderall, all these different, and they are good platform companies for you to build your capture pages out. But I needed something that was, that was a done for you system, and that's when I came across the Power Lead system. And everything is done for you. Even if you're not a tech savvy person and you a beginner, this particular platform is very, very powerful for your business. So I'm gonna go show you in here in the back office what I mean. Now, as you can see, this is the website tab, and I'm gonna scroll here to the website so you can be able to check out what type of features that you can get. Now, by all means, you can get you can have your own subdomains as well. Now I'm gonna show you here in a sec, but first I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna show you the the different websites that you can use, different types of capture pages. So let's see. Now, as you can see right here, you can have any type of domain that you can use for this particular setting. So here's all the capture pages that they have. You see this? You can use, one with a name and email, the email only, one with a name, email, and phone. And it got lots of capture pages that you can start off with. Let me show you here. Okay. Now look at this. Look at this. This is custom pages that I was made through share codes. And in more videos, I'll talk about more about share codes. But as you can see here on the right side, you see all these capture pages you can use. Very, very flexible. Very, very flexible. And a lot of other systems that I used in the past didn't offer all this. And as you can see, this company has longevity. So you can go back here. You can select any one of these. You can check it out. And you can market both of your primary business. You don't even have to necessarily market the Power Lead system by itself. Power Lead system also gives you the option to market your primary business. Whatever primary business you guys may have, Power Lead system has that for you. So that's very, very powerful too. And I believe what it is a certain amount of emails. Like once you get an email autoresponder and those leads come into your funnel, a certain amount will go to your primary business, and a certain amount of emails will go to your, your Power Lead system or Lead Lightning. And Lead Lightning, just to get started, it's a one-time $7 one-time payment. And if you guys want to be a part of Power Lead system, it's $30. And if you want to be an affiliate, that will be $53 a month. So that's very, very reasonable. That way, once you become a gold member, you get all the capture page. You can create anything pretty much. You also can get all the autoresponders. So that's why it's very powerful to upgrade to that gold level, membership. So yes, with the Power Lead system, you can use it with anything, with any primary business that you have. And like I said, this is something for you beginners that's looking for capture pages, looking for sales funnels. This is very powerful to help you on any type of business that you have, And like I said, the Power Lead system has longevity. It's been out for about 9 years now. So that's very, that says a lot when you have a business that's been on the platform. Most businesses, they end very fast, and you don't get a chance to, study or know more about the business. So this is something that could be very, very powerful, help you. I just wanted to go over you know, what Power Lead System is and how it can do good for you newbies out there that's getting into and getting started with online, you know, affiliate marketing. And if you guys would like to get started with me today, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you click on it. Make sure you also like and subscribe to this channel if this video did some good to you, if it helped you out. Leave your comments below and I will definitely answer those questions if you have any concerns or how to get started. Also, you know, you can reach out to me on social media. The social media, you know, platform, which I'll be on Facebook, you can also click that link in the description below. And I definitely like to talk. I like to talk to people. I like to actually help so we all can rise to the top. All right. Once again, this is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys on the next video.